A lot of people, what they do, let's start with the problem, is they try to figure out the how. But instead, start with the who, okay? Don't skip this. I remember my first time learning about customer avatar and know your clients and customers and things like that. I'm like, okay. It's just probably a marketing thing. It's not. I've studied this. I went back and forth. I've implemented in different law firms. This who is very crucial because it really kind of lays out the plan for you going forward, okay? So start off with the who. Who is your potential clients? What are the desires? What are their fears? And specifically, what's the specific problem that they have in easy layman language? And what are the top 3 results you would get from them? What do they look like? How old are they? Where do they live? Make sure those are all written down. Make sure you're crystal clear about that because that will make your marketing much easier, okay? Start with the who. If you're spending too much when it comes to your leads, you're probably depending on a marketing company to generate you leads. So ask yourself, am I depending on a marketing company to generate my leads? If it is, that might be the first clue why you're spending so much. With marketing companies, I found out it's usually not as effective as hiring independent contractors and freelancers who are dedicated just to helping you. They usually have less clients. Their livelihood depends more on you, versus a marketing company that could have hundreds of clients that don't nearly care as much as a freelancer could. So, find yourself, if you can, make it work with a freelancer versus depending on a marketing company when it comes to your lead generation. Number 3 is your law firm is about your clients. Your law firm is not about you, okay? So look at your website. How much of it is about your clients and how much of it is about your law firm? Well, most lawyer websites that I've seen is mostly 80% of it is about them. Look at what I can do, look who I am, look at my achievements, things like that. Instead, you need to flip that completely flip it. It should be 80% about your clients, their problems, their desires, what are the challenges, what are they dealing with, who they are, and 20% about you. Okay, flip it around, 80-20, clients, 20% about you. Flip it completely around. Make sure that you're following up. Find so many lawyers that generate leads, but they don't have those automated systems to be able to follow up, okay? Make sure you have a program that can send automated texts and emails for you as soon as the lead comes in, a couple hours later, a day later, 2 days later, 5 days later, a week later, a month later, automatically, because most people who come and are interested in your services or what you do don't sign up right away. People have timing issues, maybe they're not a decision maker, maybe for different reasons, but most of it is because of timing. Make sure that you have these systems to automatically be able to follow up. If you need a good follow-up software, there's a website called Workflow Legal that could set up all these lead automation for you. Go check them out, go get a demo. They'll show you exactly how it works and they'll be able to set it up for you. Videos over pictures and images. Videos have a way to be able to nurture and build relationships with your prospects, okay? Pictures it's 2D, okay? It doesn't invoke that much emotion. Videos, people can watch them longer. They could sense the energy. They can hear you. They could sense you. And that kind of always usually does a better job of nurturing your leads and makes them way more likely to turn into clients, okay? So whenever you tap into, again, these paid sources, see how you can incorporate more video ads into your marketing, and you will see that your lead conversion rates will increase to the signups, okay? You will get more signups if you incorporate more video ads. Incorporate videos into your marketing and your funnels. So instead of you needing to talk to every single client, instead, what if you could make this one video that you could send to every prospect that answers all their questions and also gives them social proof and tells them why and how you can help them, okay? If you can do that, that's basically funnel concepts. I could make a whole 200 videos about this, but at the very least, you need to make videos and incorporate it into your marketing and into your funnels, okay? That means your potential clients should receive multiple videos from you, and by you doing that, they'll be way more likely to turn into clients, okay? And that's a very easy way to be able to replicate yourself and get yourself in front of your potential clients. Make these videos, send them off to your clients. There's a very systematic and automated way to be able to do that, which again is a whole other conversation. KLT. If you ever have trouble turning leads, your prospects, your leads into clients, if you incorporate this one idea, you will turn a lot more of them into clients. What is KLT? It's your leads and your prospects must know you, they must like you and trust you before they turn into your clients. If your prospects don't know you, they're much less likely to be able to sign up with you. If they don't like you also, if they don't show exactly who you are, what your story is, and show personality, again, they're much less likely to want to sign up with you. And this last one, I would say, is the most important one. If they don't trust you, how do you show trust? Well, this is reviews and testimonials and case studies. If your marketing and funnels do not incorporate all these three concepts, you will be missing a big chunk of your client generation, okay? So make sure you incorporate know, like, and trust into your funnels, into your automated emails. And once you check all three off, then you will see your conversion rates double and triple, and you will do much better. The amount of clients you get is directly proportional to the amount of value you provide, okay? Again, one more time, the amount of clients you get in your market is directly proportional to the amount of value you provide to your potential clients, okay? I find a lot of lawyers who struggle to get clients. I noticed that they don't provide much value to their own leads, to their own communities, to their own Facebook groups, to their own channel, to their own blog article. Where are you producing content? Where are you creating value? Go back into giving mentality. How can I give endlessly without, actually we'll get there. How can I provide as much value as possible? And when you focus on the giving and the value, that's when the clients come as a result. Understand that the only constant is change. The only constant is change. If you're doing exactly what you were doing 6 months ago or a month ago, or a year ago, you will find out that your costs will gradually go up because things that get tapped out, the market becomes more and more saturated. So you cannot be doing the same thing as you were before. If you do have a marketing company, make sure that you're working with them every single month to make revisions, optimizations, changes. If you're doing Google Ads, create some negative keywords. These are the keywords that you're able to optimize to say, hey, don't show my ads to these keywords. Let's add this geographic location. Let's add this new set of keywords. If you're doing Facebook ads, try new niches, new hooks, new things. You always have to be constantly evolving, constantly trying on new things, constantly experimenting, because that's what it takes. People react to different messages. People react differently. Try different things and keep things simple. Get more Google reviews. As I mentioned, trust is one of the biggest conversion factors to turning more leads into clients. And the best way to do that is to get more Google reviews. I realized about 5 years ago how important it is to get reviews. And I asked myself, where is the best place to be able to capture those reviews? And I realized Google is the best place. A lot of my people that I knew, a lot of lawyers that I knew, were collecting reviews on Avvo, on Facebook, on Trustpilot, on all these third-party platforms that rely on Google to get their traffic. I'm like, why are people doing that when people are gonna just come Google you? And I realized also the future is Google Ads, the future is Google My Business. On all of those, incorporate your Google reviews. So if you're not collecting reviews on Google, first of all, transition over to Google. And you need to have a dependable automated system to collect these reviews. I've been able to create a system to automatically collect reviews from my law firm, and I'm able to systematically collect over 3,000 Google reviews from my law firm, and actually explain exactly how to do that inside of my law firm, which is a very good transition. Number 6, if you want more law firm clients, is to read Virtual Law Firm Secrets, where I share all these secrets about how I've been able to automate and get more clients from my law firm and be able to quickly scale it up. Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it, go watch it.